Whether people watch the forecaster on TV, check an app on their phone, or go outside to observe the current weather conditions, people want to know how they should dress, if their plans will be canceled, or when to take their next trip, among other things. Meteorologists prepare a forecast using many tools and techniques, but one valuable tool to create a forecast is called a surface map. A surface map is a visual representation of current weather conditions and observations from various locations across the country. Hi, I'm Mr. Weather. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use and read surface maps. Surface maps are a type of weather map and are used as a way to showcase current weather and predict future trends. These maps are created by using information from satellites, radars, online data, and real-time reporting and observations from weather stations. At first glance, surface maps have many different symbols that might look confusing. The text and symbols used depict current weather conditions, wind direction and speed, sky cover, air pressure, temperature, and dew point. Every weather station on a surface map is represented by a circle. The shading of the circle represents sky cover, which can indicate that the sky is clear, has few clouds, scattered clouds, is partly cloudy, mostly cloudy, overcast, or that the sky is obscured or sky cover data is missing. Along the edge of the circle, you'll find a line drawn that represents wind direction. The direction it's pointed is where the winds are coming from. For example, if the line was pointed north, that would mean winds are coming from the north. On the right of this line, small slanted lines represent the speed of the wind. A short slant line represents 5 knots, a line doubled in length equals 10 knots, and a triangle or flag represents 50 knots. A second circle drawn around the station represents calm winds. Off to the left side of the circle, centered between the temperature and dew point, is a symbol representing the current weather conditions. There are many symbols that represent current weather. These are the most commonly used symbols. Last but not least, air pressure is written in millibars to the top right of the circle. Below that, the pressure trend represents how sea level pressure has changed during the past 3 hours, indicated by a symbol and number in tenths of millibars. Sometimes surface maps may include isobars, highs and lows, and the location of weather fronts. Surface maps are a valuable tool that helps forecasters see and predict weather trends. Test your knowledge. Number 1. How many knots does a triangle or flag represent? A. 5 knots. B. 10 knots. C. 25 knots. D. 50 knots. Number 2. What does a shaded in circle mean on a surface map? A. Clear. B. Overcast. C. Partly cloudy. D. Scattered clouds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Mr. Weather's World on YouTube for new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.